Like I have always been telling you, okay, in trading, the trend trading strategy is still the best, okay, because this will help you to trade within a specified trend for a very long time. Now, let's check out this right here in this video. But before I explain further, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number, so you can just send a message to me and I will reply you right from there. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, if you are very sure of the trend, then you will always milk the market all the time. If you notice, this was an uptrend. There are pullbacks in between, but it got to the end of the trend, which is the resistance zone. Like I have said, there is no place that is the highest part and there is no place that is the lowest part. It can still break out from here. So if it is not breaking out, then it is changing the direction of the trend. It had been on uptrend before, but at this stage it was unable to break out above it. So it started a downtrend right from there. You can see it gave us a trend signal and it gave us a sell signal and it started selling. So till it got to this region, at this pullback, add another pullback right here. You can see gave us a sell signal here and it gave us another sell signal here again. These two sell signals actually went till it got to this region. This happened to be a support zone and it is a major support zone. Okay, so and of course we expect the direction of the trend to change at this point. It's tried to change the direction of the trend but was unable to break out from there. I mean, to move up into a full uptrend because of the resistance zone around there. So it went back and break out below this support zone. So it broke out below the support zone and gave us more selling opportunity. And that is why it is still selling. Okay. So guys, like I have always been telling you, okay, there is no support zone that cannot be broken and there is no resistance zone that cannot be broken. Okay. So but if you are unable, I mean, if the market is unable to break any of these at a particular time, then you should know that there will be a turnaround in the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can see the downtrend that we started right from here actually led us to this particular point, and we will be heading towards the next major support zone. If it breaks out below that, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will change the direction of the trend. It is as easy as that. So guys, if you have any trading tool, they can help you to identify the trend. I will advise you to hold on to it tight and use it to milk the market successfully. If you don't have anyone at all, then you can make use of this particular one just by setting it up on your chart and you will be able to identify your trend easily. Okay, so it is called the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and you can make inquiry about this particular trading tool by contacting me via WhatsApp, and of course I will let you know how you can lay your hands on it. Okay, but for now I will be stopping right here. Remember, this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God